Alright guys, I'm here at the Fort Worth Nature Refuge Center. Going to do a day hike. See here, we got this cool little map. And I am right here. And I'm going to follow this green one. Looks like there's a little strip that goes out there. It's called the River Bottom Trail. So I'm going to stay right on the water. And I have Chloe with me. Chloe. Chloe, want a treat? Want a treat? Let's see if we can get to do a trick. Chloe, 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 want a treat? Want a treat? Hey. Alright, sit. Good girl. Alright, so we're going to hit the trail. See anything cool, I'll let you know. Alright guys, just got in here. You can already see it's a pretty thick forest. I'm guessing that in a heavy rain, this one's probably flooded out. Should be all kinds of wildlife out here. If I do the whole trail, it's almost 3 miles, and then 3 miles back. If you look, all right, there's the water. That's maybe 20 foot. So maybe we'll catch some wildlife. This is a wildlife refuge, so no hunting or anything like that's allowed. And I already seen a snake, about 2-3 foot. So I'll keep on the trail. If I see something, I'll show you. And guys, check out all these plants here. This grass opened up quite nicely, and now we have a defined little trail here. The person had to build a grass mat or a grass hut. Have like you collect tons of material here. Also, take a look here. This is called the blue stemmed yucca. You can pinch off that very tip and pull out a fibrous center of that leaf and use it as thread. And they're all over out here. All right, come on, girl. One of the benefits of taking a dog with you, and why they're quite commonly used by woodsmen of days gone by, is that they can smell and hear the other animals. Just a moment ago, as we were walking through that real thick wooded area, she smelled something, and I looked around. You could see the leaves had been dug up by something. Had been messing around in there. So could have used the bathroom there or whatever, and she is capable of smelling it. Makes it good, say, if you're going to set traps, to be able to know where the animals are traveling or frequent, and the dogs can pick up on their scent. We're gonna keep on down the trail. Alright guys, we just came out of that grassy area. Come back into the woods. It's nice and shaded. In all reality, this would be a great place to set up camp. Right there between those two trees. Great place to string up a hammock in the shade. Right over there's a nasty looking swamp. Just collect water from. And then you got a field full of resources behind you. Come on, girl. Come on, let's go down here by the water. You gotta watch coming in these little swampy areas where you kind of have a higher chance of finding a snake. Just isn't really nasty water, it's just got a lot of green on it. I'd say this would be a frequent stop for plenty of animals. Alright guys, we're gonna keep on down the trail. Alright guys, there's a doe right up here in front of us. See it? There she is. Chloe, stay. Stay. About that. Yeah. I think my dog sees her. Chloe, no. Good girl. Alright. Alright, no. Chloe, no. Oh, there she goes. That doe just came from right over there, sipping on the water. Came straight across and went over in there. So, always cool to see a wild animal in its natural habitat. Maybe we'll run into something else, guys. Check out that prickly pear. That's some food right there. As well as I seen junkyard fox use it as a container. First time I'd seen that done, but seems quite smart. And that one right there is probably bigger than my hand. I'll keep on trucking. Check this little spot out, guys. Look at all that cattail.